Okay, next up is Gil Addis. He's the CEO of Licensario. And Gil, whenever you're ready, we'll start the clock.
Hello. Hey. So welcome everybody. Thanks for coming in. My name is Gil and I'm here to present Licensario, which is a smart billing solution for SaaS companies. A year ago, I was here in SF New Tech and I saw Stripe demonstrating how easy it is to accept payments for developers. Licensario took it a step forward and I'll show you how easy it is not only to accept payments, but also building your pricing model and dealing with all the issues of billing for software companies. I'll start off with a few slides, if you pardon me. I just want to do a short recap of the billing solutions today and show you how different Licensario is. So billing and payment solutions today, they are plan-based. It means that what they care about is the credit card of the user and the price of the plan. The vendor, the SaaS vendor, is left with translating what this transaction means to the business. Which features and resources may the user use in the software? This is the feature provisioning part, the licensing. And this means that for every new package that the software vendor wants to add, he needs to implement and go through all the development cycles in order to support this package. And this goes to every single thing that he wants to do with his pricing, like creating new packages, new promotions, pricing A/B tests, and so on. And now imagine that he can take any feature set of the software, package it any way you want, using any pricing model, without changing a single line of code. This is what Licensario is all about, giving software companies maximum amount of flexibility with their pricing. Show you how easy it is to get on board with Licensario and start using it. So Licensario is built on top of gateways like Stripe and more. So all you need to do in order to get started is connect. You don't see the screen. Hopefully now you'll see it. So all you need to do is just connect your Stripe account. If you're using a different gateway, you can configure that later. I'll just log into a demo account and show you, walk you through the process. So what you need to do first is define your features, and to each feature you get a unique ID, a feature ID, which is used for the integration. And then you can bundle those features into pricing plans. Well, it's a bit slow. We'll create a pricing plan, and I'll show you how easy it is. You just select the features that you want to add to this package. Features can be unlimited or they can be quantified, like 1,000 emails in this package. You put an awesome name for this plan, and you choose the pricing model. We support various pricing models from subscription to usage-based payments, trial, freemium, whatever you want to do with your software. For this demo, let's go with pay-as-you-go, which is a really cool model. It's basically a subscription. Let's choose a monthly subscription. I'm going to add trial period for this subscription. And what's great about it is that you don't need to limit your users into just 1,000 emails in this scenario. You can say that if they exceed that, they will pay $1 for each email that they used on top of the 1,000. So we support the invoicing as well, so the user gets automatically the invoice, and it gets all the prices and usage over there. So let me show you how it looks from the user's point of view. We supply a pricing page template. You can use that, or you can use your own UI if you want. It's that flexible. So here you can see all the packages you created. And we take care of all the checkout process. You can just enter the credit card. If I would have configured PayPal, you would have seen PayPal as well in this checkout. Then you can just manage your customers. You can see exactly which features they use and how much they used it. You can open up new features. You can give them more usage, see all the transactions, licenses, everything. Our API is pretty straightforward. really easy to connect. Just go to doc.licensario.com, and I'll just leave you with our awesome dashboard. We track all the KPIs, all the metrics that SaaS companies care about, from conversion rate to churn rate, lifetime value, everything. You can get this dashboard for free if you'll connect your Stripe account, so go ahead, do that. You will also get a really cool weekly report, so go ahead and connect your Stripe accounts. That's it. Thank you. I actually have free T-shirts for everyone who asks a question. I'll just bring my, my bag with T-shirts.
Good deal. I like that.
Start throwing T-shirts at you.
Who wants a free T-shirt? Who's got a question? You guys are quiet tonight. Is it me?
So these are the, you're identifying an interesting pain point here, and I'm just curious, like, what customers and like what people inspired you to build this?
Actually, it started from frustration we had as software consumers, and it started actually from desktop software, Adobe Photoshop. When we started thinking about this idea 2.5 years ago, Adobe Photoshop was priced in $1,000 per license. And it made no sense for us, even if you wanted it to, for a week or a month or whatever, you needed to pay $1,000. Now Adobe have more flexible pricing models. So we started investigating this, this domain, billing and licensing, and we found out that it's mostly outdated solutions. And this is what made it real. Now we're focusing on SaaS and cloud services.
For those that aren't using Stripe, how easy is it for them to connect their billing through that?
I don't see where the question came from, so Maz, you will be the thanks. Yeah, so we support different gateways. We're adding support for Braintree right now. We support PayPal. We also support Paymill, if you know. It's a kind of the European clone for Stripe. Does that answer your question?
I'm on this side of the room. You guys, I know you have questions. Anybody else in the back? In the back. Yes, sir.
How do you handle the whole dunning process when people don't pay or their credit card fails or so on?
Yeah, sure. Just catch one. Yeah, sure. We do all the dunning management. We have, I'll show you the email templates that you could just customize. They are happening for, we send them for each event that happens in the system. So this is just an invoice template that you can totally customize. And the same goes for dunning management and trial expiration notifications. And we have webhooks for everything that's happening in the system, so you can manage it yourself and don't depend on our system to do that. Depends on you.
Do you plug into accounting software?
Sorry?
Do you plug into accounting software like a QuickBooks or Quicken?
This is something in the roadmap, yeah, definitely. And Salesforce and marketing automation tools, yeah, a lot of integrations.
How many companies are using the product? And did you cover pricing? I'm sorry if I missed that.
Yeah, so the product was just, we just opened it for usage. There are 10 active companies that use it. We have more than 200 companies that entered the beta, so we're kind of getting them on board right now. We're charging 1% of each transaction that goes through our system. As simple as that, no other fees.
Authorize.net?
Still not supported. If we will have a large customer that will pay us for the integration, you know.
Do I get a T-shirt?
Ah, yeah. Sorry. Oh, sorry. I've got a few more T-shirts.
Just want to
you can
clarify.
just ask me how am I doing, and it's, you know.
I just want to clarify.
You will get a T-shirt.
That's 1% on top of the Stripe transaction fee?
Yeah, yeah. Here you go. I think.
So Gil,
I have another one. I'm from Israel. Yeah, our R&D system, our R&D department is in Israel. I'm trying to be here as much as I can. Being close to the customers is important. Yeah.
Okay, one more question.
Hi, to your Photoshop point, is it possible to integrate from the desktop software as well, or just cloud, or do you have any security mechanisms that possibly desktop applications could use to authorize, I don't know, trial mode or extension of subscription, things like that?
Yeah, so actually we started from desktop software and kind of shifted pretty quick to SaaS. It's kind of a hard, difficult go-to-market. But yeah, if you will integrate from a desktop software, it will work. We're not saying that we're supporting that just for focus issues, but it will work, yeah, for mobile as well.
I think we're out of time.
Yeah.
Licensario.